Get out. Only cigars.
Alright guys, we're over here in our new wrap facility and this is the first car we're wrapping here. This crazy metallic blue color. This is going on Jalen Ramsey's Cullinan. Third time we're wrapping it now. It used to be green with the green wheels, as you can see. He just won the Super Bowl and he wanted to change up all the cars again. That's what we're doing now. This is going to be the full ice blue car with the wheels, everything, with little hints of white on there too. Really cool. Super excited to do it. The new shop is clean. And we have lights everywhere. It's super bright in here. I can't even look up. Joe, the video editor, loves it here apparently. He wants to only film from here, but it's not his choice. So basically, yeah, we're finishing this car right now. We have another Cullinan there. We have an SVJ in here. We already have this place stacked up. We have a lot of wraps going down. We have new bend pack lifts coming in next week. Still a lot of work to do here on the sidelines, but we wanted to jump in and start wrapping it already. Again, we have a much cleaner environment now. We're gonna be doing paint protection film installations here, much cleaner. We're gonna have our print shop here in-house. We're gonna have all that stuff going. So we're super excited to show you guys what's in store out of these two shops, the main shop and now our RDB wrap shop. So stay tuned. Hey, Kenny's back to the same stupidity, huh?
Yeah.
He came to the shop, I'm ready to work.
Yeah.
Sergio, I don't want to work with him anymore.
Nah, he didn't say Sergio. He said Sergio's a hater. That's what he said.
Sergio, I don't want to work with his fucking brother anymore.
I owe him $1,000. So I guess what it seems like, they bet together that Moses couldn't park this car without moving this car, and Moses did it. So now Sarkis sells Moses $1,000. And he wants it in all hundreds. Pay up,
that's
Sarkis.
crazy.
Hey, it's payday tomorrow, so I'll just take the 1,000 and just give it to Moses.
No, don't worry. I'm gonna do it.
He's not gonna pay him for sure.
No, I would never take money.
No.
Sorry. Then why do you guys even bet?
Huh, that's interesting. Like, it makes you hyper.
We have a customer that just got robbed in Beverly Hills.
Oh,
He was driving a Ferrari.
nice guy.
During the day, afternoon, in front of a very well-known restaurant, in the middle of the street, literally got robbed. Like, he was getting out of the car, and 2 or 3 people ran up to him, hit him, and tried to take his stuff.
Before the cameras caught everything, he was fighting with those 2 individuals in the car for 5 minutes. There was a fist fight in the car for 5 minutes.
Joe doesn't want me to talk about cars that we already filmed before, but we're gonna do it anyways because they're cool cars. Disregard this orange 720 that's taken apart. That's an insurance job that we are fixing. But look at these 3 cars right here. 3 black cars: Lamborghini, Ferrari, Mclaren. These are the 3 hottest exotic cars out there. SVJ, SF90, that's a 720, but it is a wide body and all that stuff. This black SVJ unfortunately had a little accident in the front and a chunk of the front bumper is missing. So we ordered a new bumper. We're gonna be painting it, putting it on, and it's gonna be back to brand new again. As you guys know, the SVJ Roadsters are up almost $1 million right now. So yeah, a lot of guys bought these at 600 to 700s, and now they're worth 9 to $1 million. So crazy. As you guys know, we just released our full exhaust system for it. That sounds incredible. That purple one you guys saw shoots crazy flames, and it sounds perfect. It's the perfect high pitch and deepness you guys want out of the SVJ, and best of all, it's very safe. So yeah, we're gonna be fixing up this black SVJ, making brand new again. It's not always about the wraps, the wheels, all that stuff. It's about also making the cars look the way they're supposed to when you have an unfortunate situation like this. So we're gonna bring this back to life. right, guys, I am standing in front of 3 new Rolls Royce Ghosts. This is all 2021 plus models. That one I believe is a 22 and that one is a 22. This one is a 21. We did this one a couple months ago. This is a Tempest Gray on Mandarin Orange. It is fully painted to match the body color, except for a few little items like the front grille slits, the Spirit of Ecstasy. It has the RDB Masterpiece Classic wheels in 24-inch. It is slammed. Right next to it, the other Tempest Gray is actually a bone stock car. That's actually a black badge. $420,000 car right there. It's got a really crazy indigo blue interior. We're about to do RDB wheels on that, lower it, some other stuff. And then obviously right there is that black full Novatec body kit, first one in the country with the RDB signature wheels, orange pin sweat, Mandarin orange interior, all that stuff. Dealers don't even have 3 brand new Ghosts. We have them here. We have 2 SF90s, we have 2 SVJs, we have 5 Cullinans, we have multiple McLarens. It's wild here. We have a G-Wagon pickup truck. We have new Maybachs. We have 4 Urus wide bodies, G800 Brabus, F8, Impala. I mean, it just goes nonstop. And that's what we do. All the guys are staring at me because it is after hours now, and it's been a long ass week, and we are all working very hard, but having a good time.